chop the onion and sauté it in a pan with a little oil until golden brown. Then add the chopped spinach and let it cook until all the water evaporates. Mash the boiled potatoes and add the sautéed onion and spinach mixture to it. Mix well. Add black pepper, red pepper, and salt to the mixture and mix well. Set aside. For the Borek sauce, mix together milk, egg, yogurt, vegetable oil, salt, and black pepper powder. Cut the yufka dough into triangles and completely soak it with the Borek sauce. Then place another layer of dough on top and soak it again with the sauce. Spread the spinach mixture over it, roll it. Brush the top with an egg yolk. Sprinkle sesame seeds and black seeds for garnish and place it on an oiled baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Enjoy your meal.